when you have karmic cycles that keep coming up and triggering you, and you have these choices, and there are consequences to those choices in that cycle. So what Spirit is giving you here is focus on the truth of that. Focus on how you are going around and around and around in a cycle, perhaps, where you need validation, you need to be seen, you need to be heard, but then you're self-sabotaging yourself in that little circle. But Justice is saying to you, you know, when you go to a court case and you give the facts and they judge you on that, that is the law. That is how, hopefully it's fair. But what Spirit is saying, be fair about that in your own life this week. Be fair about how you judge yourself. Be fair about what pressure you're putting on yourself. And you've got the sword here, and the sword is usually the truth. Balance out the truth. Don't let anything else come in that way. Don't let emotions creep in. And being a homely, beautiful sign that everybody goes to, you can feel the weight of the world. Just like all the other